You know what? This is some bullshit, bro. Oh, I'm tired, bro. Are you serious right now? Are you serious? Cowboys? Are you serious? We got ass whooped by the freaking Bills. You gotta be. I don't want to do this intro, bro. I don't. Viewers, I'm not doing no intro. I'm not doing no intro, bro. I'm not doing no intro. I'm sorry. I'm not. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Super Jason, bro. Just relax. Just relax, dog. Relax. Just relax. We couldn't. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Super Jason. We are here with the Buffalo Bills versus my Dallas Cowboys game highlights, NFL 2023 Week 15 highlights. Look, bro. I seen this fucking score, bro. What the fuck was that? Okay, let me get this straight. We beat the socks off the Eagles, but we get our ass whooped by the Bills with Josh Allen. Josh Allen got 14 picks. I think 15 by now. Does he have 15? Something like that. Josh Allen has the most leading picks in the freaking season. He turns the ball over left to right. But guess what? But because he's playing against my Cowboys, he's playing perfect. He's playing perfect. He didn't throw no picks. No picks. What are we doing, bro? I can't even talk right now, bro. What happened in this game? What happened? Tell me. This is some bullshit, bro. You know what? Jason, start the damn intro. Start the damn intro. Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm starting it right now. You know what? Let's get into it, bro. Defense is ass, bro. Why am I reacting to this shit, bro? Realistically, I don't have to do this reaction video. Why the fuck am I reacting to this video? Eagle fans, oh yeah, also Eagle fans though. Where was y'all at when my Cowboys put an ass whooping on the Eagles, huh? Dak Prescott was lighting y'all ass up. I see how it is, Eagle fans, though. When y'all lose, y'all go quiet. But when we lose, y'all want to start popping out talking shit, though. Bro, you Eagle fans, y'all have no right to talk. We whooped y'all butts. And then you want to know what's crazy? You know what? We're going to keep the video rolling, bro. I'm not making this video too long, bro. And James cooked the fuck out of us. Don't get me wrong, though. The Bills are a good team. They shouldn't even be 7-6. They should be 8-4. But the Bills have been struggling. They choke. Look at this shit, bro. What the fuck am I doing, bro? Look at that. No pressure. No pressure. This is some bullshit. Look at that, James Cook. You got James Cook cooking us, bro. What are we doing? Our run defense is ass. Please tell me we did not get. I know we got blown. I know we got whooped, but please, I hope this is a dream, bro. I hope this wasn't a. You gotta be fucking kidding me right now, bro. No, my God. Outside, and I'm doing this shitty video, bro. It is cold as fuck outside, and my Cowboys are getting skunked.
Cowboys offense can get out to fast starts, and then the defense kind of plays on that situation.
Bro, come on, bro.
Opening drive here for this Buffalo's offense.
I see how it is.
Here, it's gonna be a great angle. Watch, look at the ball. Great
angle
there.
Prescott stands in.
What the freak are you doing, Prescott?
It's a block from Pollard. It's a great one, and it springs him for a first down.
Okay.
Prescott has the first down. Got an excellent block from Pollard. He wants a penalty flag too.
Second, bro.
And there is one now at the end. Actually, multiple at the end of the play. Inside, C.D. Lamb makes the grab for a first down. He's into Buffalo territory.
Come on, bro. It's raining a little bit.
Pollard on a 2nd and 5. Breaks the tackle. First down for Dallas. Inside the 30 he goes. And the Cowboys on the move with a 9-yard game. And there's a flag on this play as well.
3rd down and fucking 14, bro. Steal! Steal! You fat ass! Steal, you fat ass! Oh my... Is that steal again? Is that steal again? Bro, don't tell me it's steal again, bro. Don't tell me this is steal again, bro. Hold on a second. I gotta do this. Sorry, bro. It's Don't tell me it's fucking steal, bro. Steal? Is that you, bro? Is that you again? I'm not gonna lie, Steal. You're trash as fuck. You trash, man. Fucking hate you, fat bitch, bro. I hate Steele, bro. Oh my God. Why did we get him? Fat ass.
James Cook.
Cyrus Torrance, number 64.
3rd down. He gets around him. Allen sees it, running away, but now he's caught up and he throws it away as he's held. And it goes out of bounds. So the Cowboys will get their stop. Sam Williams had him wrapped up. His box score doesn't really equate to how much impact he has on the game.
No doubt.
That was a perfect example. Here's Martin. And that one, how did he get it away? And he gets decked. There's a penalty flag. This one.
And look at this. A freaking personal foul, roughing the kicker, bro. That's ridiculous.
If it's roughing, it'll be a first down.
Automatic fucking first down, bro. Of course. 54, what are you doing? Okay, first of all, number 54, bro. First of all, you're not allowed to jump up in the air. Second, you're running into the kicker. Are you stupid, 54? What the fuck is my team doing? This isn't my Cowboys, bro. This is not how we're playing.
2nd and 10. Allen pumps, slings it near side. It's Cook. Makes
James Cook, bro.
Buffalo, and he's into Dallas territory. James Cook in the receiving game has taken it up another level the last month.
Against motion, those numbers really drop.
3rd and 1.
My defense is getting fried, cooked. Kentucky Fried Chicken cooked. And I hate KFC.
Runs away, throws on the run, has a man, caught, touchdown, it's Cook.
Of course. Oh my goodness, bro. What the fuck am I watching?
Back in the backfield, he's going to run a traditional corner out, which you see a lot of slot receivers. He ran a little shoot last week for a touchdown out of the same position, and this time, one-on-one against the linebacker, Damone Clark.
Meanwhile, Dak Prescott just one.
Come on, what the freak? Come on!
Hasn't found anyone open again. Now he's going to tuck it and run. Will do so, and he gets hit down hard, and there's a penalty. Across
we can't do shit.
The Bills have done that.
We can't do shit.
Wow, He takes
What am I watching?
shot.
That's a flag, but it don't matter, bro.
Just straight to the face.
Unnecessary roughness defense, number 25. It's a 15-yard penalty out of the end of play. Automatic first down.
Yeah, Tyrell Dodson, number 25.
Come on, bro. Keep it rolling, bro.
Throwing into a tight window, and it's caught by CeeDee Lamb. Great throw from Prescott, and the drive continues as Lamb with a big play. On 2nd and 5, he'll get it. Sutter step, and Pollard with a good move and a first down on cue, Greg. Nice run by Pollard inside the 20. He goes as the drive continues. Pollard again gets it, sprinting through the hole. Pollard running hard and down near the 10. Third down, blitz coming. Prescott tipped to the line.
Oh my God, that should have been picked off, bro.
Oliver got a piece of it.
You want to know something? When we kick this field goal, this is the only time we're going to score until the very end, bro. Aubrey still doesn't miss. Thank you, Aubrey. Thank you. Yeah, Aubrey's a beast, bro. How the fuck do we... James Cook is cooking us. He's cooking us.
On the first play, he's coming back nicely. Here's Allen. And he hooks up with Stephon Diggs, who makes the catch, and now just dives down, but that'll be enough for a first.
Give him a chance to keep fighting.
Yeah, so the first sack from Ozzie Smith. Here's Allen. Lets it rip, and oh my goodness, what a hit.
The future is threatened.
It is cold as fuck outside.
Unseen. When there are battles to win for America's future, there is one constant. Marines.
Hey there, it's Des with T-Mobile, and today we're checking out the latest additions to the Revel lineup. The Revel
I'm not
6X
making this video
5G
long.
and Revel 6X Pro 5G. And, for the first time ever, Revel Tab.
Oh my God, bro.
Mayfield comes back to his right now over the...
Hold on a second, viewers, bro. Hold on a second. I gotta stop this recording. Hold on a second, bro.
He does this as well as any...
Have done that, and that'll move it 15 yards.
By Dotson. Dotson, number...
Prescott has time, looking, throwing into a tight window, and it's caught by CeeDee Lamb. Great throw from Prescott, and the drive continues as Lamb with a big play.
Come on, bro.
Sutter step, and Pollard with a good move and a first down on cue, Greg. Nice run by Pollard inside the 20. He goes as the drive continues. Pollard again gets it, sprinting through the hole. Pollard running.
Okay, yeah, we... Okay, right here. Oh my gosh! Yeah, we seen that. Okay, right here. Okay. Cut right here.
That'll be enough for a first.
Give him a chance to keep fighting.
Yeah, so the first sack from Ozzie Smith. Here's Allen. Lets it rip.
Oh my
goodness, what
come on, bro.
Does he get him?
And of course we get a penalty, bro. That's a bad call, bro, but okay.
Yeah, you can see
that wasn't a freaking flag, but okay.
Second down, pressure up the middle.
Look at this, man. We can't even get Josh Allen.
Escapes, breaks the tackle, and another. Allen fighting for a first down, and he's got it. Yeah, Donovan Wilson has come out for Dallas. He was injured during that break. Here's Cook.
What?
Tackle, still on his feet. The quarterback shove play, and that works. Forget it. Not even close. Josh Allen.
Of course. A freaking chorus. What the fuck? Fuck! Shit! Oh, hell no. They're doing that to us? They did their celebration on us? Of course, bro. Of course, bro.
Watch Josh Allen. He knows where that soft spot is. That's the B gap. The spot
There's
between the
no
left
soft
tackle
spot.
and the
There's
left
no
tight
soft
end.
spot, commentator. Our defense is plain ass in this game.
Big drop for Prescott. Pressure up the middle.
What the freak are you doing, Dak?
That pressure gets home for
Dak!
Buffulo.
Just throw the ball, man.
56 total yards from scrimmage. He'll get it here.
This is Bills highlights. This isn't Cowboy highlights either.
And he goes all the way reversing field.
We are letting James Cook cooking us, bro. This is sad. This is sad, man. This is fucking sad.
Sprints out left. James Cook, more chunk yardage. Another first down.
Of course, bro.
Negative plays with penetration.
Run it again. Ty Johnson.
Oh,
First down and more for Johnson. Down around the 10. Third and goal. Blitz
no
coming.
defense.
Allen floats it out. James Cook.
Good.
Trying to extend to a 21-point
Good defense, I guess.
Passes, got it. So the
We almost got
Bills
dropped
will
40 on us.
Go down and add to their lead as the rain comes on back here in Orchard Park. Got a 3rd and 9 against Dallas. Pressure on Prescott.
See what?
He is sacked.
Bro, what the fuck do we do? Y'all Dak Prescott haters, bro. Y'all, oh, Dak ain't doing, bro. We can, and all y'all other Cowboy fans are saying that, oh, Dak ain't doing. He's the reason we lost the game. Shut the fuck up, other Cowboy fans. If y'all gonna say that, bro, y'all not true Cowboy fans. If y'all would know, we can't do nothing with this offense, this O-line. Our O-line ain't protecting Dak Prescott. Still ain't doing shit. Our O-line ain't doing shit. Y'all want to come up here and say that, oh, Dak Prescott ain't doing. Of course he can't do nothing because we can't protect Dak Prescott. He can't do nothing. He's not Lamar Jackson. He's not Patrick Mahomes, bro. He's Dak. Dak is not MVP, bro. I got to see some more from this Cowboys, bro. I got to see more from Dak. Yes, we beat the Eagles. We beat the freaking She-Eagles, but we got to do more. We're going to go against the Dolphins. We need to tighten up, man. This is bad. 24-3. And we can't do nothing? We can't do nothing. We got all these weapons. All of these weapons. We're a talented team. The Bills got weapons too, but we got more weapons than them. All these weapons, and we only can score 3 points? That's it? If I was the quarterback for the Cowboys, bro, I would score more points. Well, I know that doesn't have nothing to do with it, bro. It's the defense, bro. It's the Bills' defense, bro. The Bills' defense is the reason why we're getting spanked. And our O-line. I can't even talk. This is just bad, man. You got Bill fans feeling so great right now. Which they are, I would. Bills are a good team. They always been a good team. They just been starting off so rocky. James Cook is cooking the hell out of us. It is over with, bro. Look at that. Look at that. We can't even put pressure on Josh. This is embarrassing right now, man. I want to click off this video, bro. 5 penalties, bro. And we still got a lot of penalties. Look at this. Look at this. James Cook. Hell no. Hell no. He got 3. James Cook got 3 touchdowns on us. 2 touchdowns, I think. Are you serious? What the fuck? What are we doing? What the fuck am I watching? This is bullshit. Bullshit. This isn't my Cowboys, bro. We ain't doing shit. That Eagles hype when we beat the Eagles, bro. All that hype when I say, okay, we're gonna beat the Buffalo Bills, it's fucking gone. It's gone. We gotta go against the Dolphins, and we're gonna get smoked by them. We're gonna get smoked by the fraudulent Dolphins. They have not beat a winning team yet. We're gonna be that victim. This is sad, bro. You got James Cook cooking us. Josh Allen ain't doing shit. Josh Allen has been doing nothing. He only got, 170 yards or something like that? And we're still getting smoked. James Cook is doing all the work. Come on, man. What the fuck? Steal, defense, ass. Offense, ass. Steal, your ass. You're trash. Trash ass. I don't want to do this. I'm
Makes
not
the
uploading this
playoffs. I
video.
don't care
I'm
if
not.
they're the
I'm not uploading this
worst
video,
seed,
bro.
the second
God, I'm
seed. It
not
doesn't
uploading.
matter. I don't know
God,
anybody in the AFC
God, pray for
that
me that
feels
I
like
don't break
coming
my
here
PC, bro.
3rd and
I'm
5
not
here for
uploading this
Dallas.
shit, bro. I'm not uploading this video, bro.
2nd and
I'm not
3rd, and it's
uploading
going
this.
to
I'm
Ferguson.
not
He's got it
doing
for
it,
first
bro.
down.
I'm not doing it.
Keep the drive on moving.
I'm not uploading this, bro. I don't want to.
Prescott throws high, and it's intercepted.
Dak, bro. You know what? You get a pass for this. I'm giving Dak Prescott a pass, bro, because it's over. It's done. It's done. It's done. Just put Cooper Rush in the game. What the fuck do you think Dak Prescott's gonna do with 3-31? What do you think we're gonna do? We're not a team to come back, bro. This interception don't mean nothing, bro. The fucking game's over with, bro. I'm not even mad at Dak Prescott. It's the fucking offense can't protect Dak for nothing. Can't protect our quarterback
It's
for shit.
Stafford who's got it.
This
Taken
is
down.
terrible,
Rose
man.
took over.
Fucking terrible. Fucking shit.
Josh Allen
Shit.
only threw for 94 yards because he barely threw in the second half. He hasn't had
It's hard being a Cowboys fan, bro. If you're
and Murray gets bounced back.
Allen and what they can do in the passing game, but man, they can put a run game with it. That's something.
As Cowboys will throw it and get it to Jalen Tolbert.
wow, bro. Wow, bro. This is so embarrassing right now, man.
Stays on his feet as a first
We
down.
just spanked the Eagles, but we're getting our ass spanked for what? What do we do?
Here's Prescott.
Bill fans, what the fuck? What the fuck did we ever do to the Buffalo Bills? What the fuck did we do to deserve this? What did we do? 31-3. We just spanked the Eagles, bro, and the Eagles defense is trash. We just punished them. And now we're getting punished. What the fuck did we get this for? What did we do to deserve this? We already got our ass whooped by the 49ers. We got spanked by the Cardinals. What are we doing wrong, bro? Our defense is not doing nothing. We barely beat the damn Seahawks, who were 6-5. And also, y'all Eagle fans be saying, "Oh, Dallas haven't beaten a winning team other than the Eagles, bro." Shut the fuck up. Y'all do realize we beat the Seahawks, right? That were 6-5. And then y'all were saying, but they were 500 after you beat them. No, that does not count. We beat a winning team. We beat the Eagles and we beat the Seahawks. Shush.
Far side, another completion to Ferguson.
A positive drive.
People who be saying that, the Seahawks aren't a winning team, bro. Y'all some haters, bro. For real. The Seahawks were 6-5. Get it right. At least we got a touchdown, bro. I'll fucking take it, bro. We're just gonna skip this, bro. We'll just skip this, bro.
And Allen will take a knee, and that'll be that. 31-10.
Shut the fuck up, commentator, bro. Shut the fuck up. Don't remind me of this shit. Yes, we all see that it's 31-10. No shit, Sherlock. We all know that. We're the 5th seed of the playoff picture, bro. It don't matter, bro. We're not gonna get the divisional round spot anyways. The Cowboys are gonna at least lose 2 more games, or lose 1 more game or something. We're gonna be 12-5. The Bills are gonna be 8-6. My Cowboys gonna be 10-7, bro. This is just terrible, dog. We gotta go against the Dolphins next. If we lose to the fraudulent Dolphins, bro, I'm gonna be pissed.
Buffulo.
This is bad, dog. This is bad. I'm so fucking pissed right now, man. Oh my god, my PC. I so want to break my PC right now. Like, I just want y'all viewers to know I want to break this PC so bad. Should I break this? I can't break this PC, bro. I don't want to break this PC. I don't want my mom yelling at me, bro. My stepdad already paid for it, bro. I'm not doing it, bro. I'm not paying for it. I'm not breaking this PC, bro.
Wilshire
Mike McCarthy didn't do shit in this game. Mike McCarthy, your play calling sucks, man. Fat ass coach. Man, y'all disgust me, bro. This team disgusts me, bro. We just beat the Eagles and now we just lose to the fucking Bills, bro, who were also struggling against the goddamn Chiefs. Fuck out of here, bro. Make sure you guys like to subscribe, though. Get me up to 400 subscribers, bro. If this video, I swear, if this video blows up, bro, I'm finna be mad, though. Because y'all, I know y'all want me to, y'all like seeing me angry, don't y'all, huh? Y'all like seeing me angry. Y'all like seeing me angry, okay. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, though. We're out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro.